Hi, I'm Leslie Logan. We're going to do Tower on the Cadillac today. So I'm obsessed with Tower on the Cadillac. It feels so good. And if you're wanting to do things like short spine, high frogs, you're going to want to really get into Tower. If you've got low back stuff or neck stuff, Tower might not be your friend. I would definitely play with footwork on the Cadillac first and see how that makes your back feel before you do something like Tower. Tower, you're going to want to have a safety strap, absolutely necessary, and you're going to have a spring from below. Then you'll want to be about a hand's distance-ish away from the edge, and feet are parallel. They can be heels together, toes apart, but I would try this parallel just because we don't do a lot of things in parallel, and this is one of them, and it really does help you. Now, your thighs and your stomach have to learn that they're always trying to be away from each other, even when they're close to each other, okay? So this is not a knee exercise. This is a stomach away from the thighs exercise. So hands on the bar, connecting your arms to your back, point through the toes, and just take a moment to reach your sacrum along the mat and let your heart melt, because this is a big stretch. You can flex and point, and you can bend and straighten and really get that length, but try to make the thigh bones move away from the center, not the knees, right? Then when you're ready, I'll show you the regular version, and then I'll show you some options. You, without looking around, roll up, reaching through your back of your legs until, in theory, you're up on your shoulder girdle. Your bar, your tower bar, should never be closer to the vertical poles than 2 inches. I don't care how tall you are. Be careful. If you're short, it won't even get there, right? Then when you're here, without moving your butt, you bend your knees and you straighten. And you're allowed to bend your knees as much as your thigh bones move. So you don't want to just do this up here at the knee joints. You want the thigh bones to come down to your shoulders and away 3 times and then roll down. So I see it a lot where the knees are bending, but the thighs aren't coming closer to the person. Think short spine. The knees have to come to the shoulder blocks. So you bend and straighten, you flex and point. You do 3 sets of 3. So again, I get to bend my knees as much as my thigh bones come to me, and then I have to push away. So you're not trying to bring your heels to your butt. You're trying to bring your knees to your shoulders. And you do 3 of those. Now, if that is too much, or you're just not getting that mobility in your hips, some days I just go to here and I bend and straighten. And that is a really interesting stretch, right? Some days I'll go halfway and I'll bend and straighten, and oof, I get a whole different stretch. So when you are doing your tower, I highly recommend that you play with different levels and find the one that stretches your back that day. But remember, you're trying to pull your thigh bone to you, not your heel to your butt, right? Keep the exercise in your seat, and you'll get an amazing stretch of your back, and it will really help you for something more advanced like high frogs, short spine, long spine massage, that kind of stuff. If you have questions on how to do this, please let me know in the comments below. I'm Leslie Logan. I'm so grateful for your watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.